Yes, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to see cryptocurrency. We know very well today cryptocurrency. Today and yesterday, everything was coming down, but we want to see 1 hour, 1 day, 7 days, 1 month, and 6 months. So, like Bitcoin, 1 hour is still negative 2%. Last 1 hour, and then 1 day is negative 6, 1 week negative 9, 1 month negative 14, year to date or 6 months you can call is up to 132%, which is doing good. When you compare Ethereum is down to 26%. Ethereum is acting like almost a memes. When you see Binance coin is doing very great, guys. In fact, Binance is more than stronger than Ethereum. I think, guys, it's safe to buy Binance right now than Ethereum, but we don't know what's maybe in future. Ethereum will be pumping. Solana is negative 21. We know Solana up to 1 year is still 500%. Ethereum Solana went up to 800%. If you remember, so XRP is doing very well. In fact, the XRP today market cap beat Dogecoin. Remember Dogecoin, guys, you already lost around on market cap. Remember, it was 32,000 billion. Right now it's 20 billion. It's already lost more than 12 billion, and that's why it was negative 15%. And all year to date or 1 year is up to 143 is it beat Bitcoin. So Dogecoin is doing good. Tony, guys, is the one who lost a lot, I think so, because Tony was market cap was more than for Dogecoin. But remember, Dogecoin and the Tonic is almost the same. Remember, Tonic, guys, pushed it a lot this month. That's why it was on news. If even you see like 1 month, 6 months, and year to date, still up there. Avalanche. So, guys, we want to see which coin we are going to invest right now. After some of the coins which you are going to invest, and remember, guys, I'm going to post several videos. In fact, I'm going to post over here because we want to see which coin we are going to buy. When you say year to date, most of them is up there except 1, 2, 3 coins. So remember, guys, right now we after Tonic here we have a lot of things here, but let's see what's going heading. Where is Bitcoin heading to? When you see Bitcoin right now is trading around 62,700, and we came today around 60,100, and I think it's not over. If it's over, guys, you see my charts here on monthly chart. We are supposed to pounce if Bitcoin will recover today around 63,500, and we close this month. I don't know things, but in fact, because it's not good to look even a month, we can look at daily, because this is what is going on daily. Right now, when you see my daily, some few hours ago, you delivered to here, and we open another candlestick, which is we are at the support right now, which is around 62,400. When you check right now, it's still coming down. But if you close above here tomorrow, in case we are going to in next 24 hours, we are going to see this resistance, which around 67, which it was acting like support. Most people, guys, were saying around 60,000 is where Bitcoin is going to bounce. Remember, guys, this is the people are playing this thing, and people are trading right now until Bitcoin half is coming. And the only thing I know about Bitcoin, because when you use the velocity retracement, we lose 67, which was bearish, and because this one, guys, is just short term, and it's not the real one. But if we lost here, where you see right now, which is around 62,400, we are going all the way to 53, and this is easy, guys. In fact, Monday market is going to open, and that's when it's going to play. That's when Bitcoin is going to crash on Monday. So most of cryptocurrency is going to crash on Monday. This is just starting, but Monday is the day we are going to accelerate toward less than 60,000. That's, remember, that's my what I'm thinking, because this thing is escalating, and stock is going to be dumping on Monday. And I had something, I was following the charts of the Bitcoin, still predicting Bitcoin next 5 days will be hitting 71,000, next 1 month 82, 99 in next 3 months. But remember, guys, the chat is, remember, this one is not refreshed because of this event. Remember, it was sometimes it was predicting good, but remember, guys, the market is already determined the news. I know everybody know what's going on. It's not something, and this way I'm watching Bitcoin on this area, because it break 50 moving average, and that is very, we need to catch up, which is I've already told you, we need to trade up around 7,000 whenever Bitcoin is still going down. And we have already break this one, and whenever you break 200 moving 50 moving average, and we don't close this week this area, this is going to send us to all the way to 200 moving average, which is around 47,000. In fact, the Bitcoin half, after Bitcoin half, that thing is going to push, and we are likely, if you cannot move very fast, if no price will step in, we are going all the way to 200 moving average, which is around 7,000 on Bitcoin. Remember, guys, this video is going to be, when you see the charts over here, it say 3 SMA here, they sell at 68, 5 MA, which, remember, this one, guys, is signaling before, if you break 67, and we are going to, other people targeting 7,000. If you put here 10 MA says SMA, I mean 69, 68, 67, where things is in the technical is indicating. So remember, we are seeing the periods, and let's see where 50 moving average, even this 65 you see right now is signaling sell, which is not easy to recover 65 right now. And the SMA, what this SMA says, buy at 55,000 and 45,000, which is 200 moving average. So because we have already break here, we are going to test where I've already shown you around 55. Remember, I told you on Fibonacci retracement, it says 53, and here you see it says 55, and remember this SMA, and the EMA, exponential movement average, is say buy at the 56. So people can buy on 56 or 55. It's just so close, and in fact, maybe it will go to happen on Monday. Remember, nobody was ready for this one, and this way, guys, I was worried about now Microsoft. So what's going on with Microsoft? If Bitcoin will drop, because remember, this thing, Microsoft were driven by the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is already when you see on Friday, we know very well Bitcoin on Friday we close around 67, right? Because this was the evening, that one evening, and then today on Saturday, and then this, we can call this one on Sunday. This was on Saturday and Friday, because we closed here yesterday, we open here evening, which is on this was the Saturday, and then this for on Sunday, which probably we yesterday we closed Bitcoin around 67, and we're already around 62 right now, which is showing us Microsoft Monday is going to open around 1,000, if I'm not wrong. If we close around here. And another news on Microsoft, we know Michael Saylor was selling Microsoft, and I'm worried Microsoft and even Mara and Riot and the other ones, because this one was running recently, and even we are going to talk about Coinbase and ways will be the future on those stocks which was rising. So remember this one, we had ugly charts over here, and you see this one. This is shoulder. We have neck. Let me see if we have some ugly charts which is came in here, and let's see it. Yeah, so we have this one, two, three. This one's pointed downside right now, and I've already show you. We have this area which is will be around support, which is around 30. This one, I see this is going to escalate. Monday, if you have money, you need to buy puts when market open. Even that one, you don't need to think. You just buy put anything. And I was watching something here, and let me see it, guys. Let me my mstr prediction. It was saying something weird on macros. Based on the 12 Wall Street analyst offering target of the micro strategy, which average target will be this one, and the highest forecast will be this one, and the lowest is this one, which we are here right now. This one, guys, is going to push if Bitcoin. I don't if this Bitcoin half is going to do something about the micro strategy. Yeah, so this is what, guys, I read. They say micro strategy. Remember, guys, this is Yahoo, right? This one, micro strategy. They were saying micro strategy one. It lost 95%. Yeah, so there is something I was watching over here, but let's hear this video before I close the video.
Benchmark is raising its price target on MicroStrategy today from $990 to $1,875. The analyst noting the Bitcoin rally as the halving draws near. For more, we've got the author of that note. That is Mark Palmer, Benchmark Managing Director and Senior Research Analyst of FinTech and Digital Assets. Good to see you, Mark, as always. And as you know, there is a big debate going on when it comes to MicroStrategy and the premium at which it trades to Bitcoin itself. If you do various calculations, you can arrive at that premium. It's a big premium. And so talk to me about why you think that premium is justified.
Yes. Well, first of all, thanks very much for having me today. This is the big question that you see raised out there right now. Why is it that MicroStrategy is trading at such a big premium when somebody could just go and buy Bitcoin themselves or buy a spot Bitcoin ETF? And to put this into perspective, the premium to MicroStrategy's NAV, has been fluctuating, but it's been more than 1.5 times NAV, which has brought us back to this question. I think that those who are raising this concern are looking at things from a static standpoint. That is to say, they're looking at where MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings are currently, whereas as an equity analyst, I'm looking into the future and trying to gauge a few things. One, how much Bitcoin will the company have a couple of years out? What will the price of Bitcoin be a couple of years out? And then how is the company going to be able to get to that higher level of Bitcoin holdings? Well, that's one of the differences between MicroStrategy and a spot Bitcoin ETF. Its ability to go out to the capital markets to raise the proceeds to buy additional Bitcoin. And the company has really timed the market incredibly well. Its 2 convertible debt offerings in March both had coupons less than 1%. So they're borrowing at under 1%, turning around and buying an asset that has been performing extremely well. And this is a big part of the reason. If you stack up MicroStrategy shares next to the Bitcoin itself, it has significantly outperformed Bitcoin since the company initiated its Bitcoin acquisition strategy back in August of 2020. For that matter, It's outperformed the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, gold, silver, all the big tech stocks. So the strategy has been proved out, and especially in a bull market, we think that a premium is justified.
So then, Mark, you guys are talking about 150,000 per coin on Bitcoin, about double where we stand today. We'd love to have you talk through a little bit of the thinking around what is the catalyst to get us, a double in the price of Bitcoin over the, through the end of next year.
Yes, we're assuming that the price of Bitcoin will reach $150,000 by the end of 2025 due to two main factors. One is the supply shock that is caused by the Bitcoin halving. The fact that the new supply of Bitcoin is going to be literally cut in half on or about April 20th means that the supply is simply going to fall off a cliff. At the same time that we are seeing a demand shock, which is the result of the SEC's approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs back in January. We've already seen more than $34 billion flow into the 10 spot Bitcoin ETFs, not counting the Grayscale GBTC structure. And that's really been a retail phenomenon. We haven't seen the institutional investors get significantly involved yet. They're sharpening their pencils, doing their homework, and when they get involved, we could really see the demand side of things pick up materially, which is why we feel that the price of Bitcoin is going to outperform its 10-year CAGR over the next 2 years. Its 10-year CAGR has been over 50.
Thank you so much, guys. I know this was a long video, but we know to see what's going on with next week will be huge for mining stocks, and maybe I was saying about Coinbase. I don't know. I don't think if I will do video right now for Coinbase because this video is already be long. Coinbase stock. Yeah, this is the Coinbase also, and we are waiting around 185. If we break around this area, which is around 229, it's going to be very volatile, and be ready, guys, for anything. Yeah. So, like of the Mara riot and the clsk, I don't think, because long time ago there were no following Bitcoin. Friday we closed red, and we are going back where we start. clsk, I talk about clsk. I don't know, even I have a call which is going to expire, and I put from here. It pumped very well, it was in money, and then we close here. I don't know. This one, we are on the this area which is very bearish, and we are going to see this week $10, $11 when market opening, and I don't think everything's going to crash. Let's see Tesla. Tesla does earning which is coming. Tesla has been coming down already, and I hope it's going to be doing good because we didn't close. Red was not here, and I don't think it's going to affect Tesla, because Tesla is already have enough bad news. And so guys, thank you so much, and see you later.